The magical properties of amethyst. Amethyst, a beautiful purple gemstone, has been treasured throughout history for its enchanting appearance and mystical properties. This semi-precious stone is a variety of quartz, with its mesmerizing violet hue stemming from the presence of iron and aluminum impurities. The magical properties of amethyst have captured the imagination of many, making it a popular choice for spiritual and healing practices. Spiritual connection. Amethyst is often referred to as a stone of spirituality, as it is believed to help deepen one's connection to the divine. It is said to awaken the third eye and crown chakras, stimulating intuition and enhancing psychic abilities. Many people use amethyst during meditation and prayer to encourage spiritual growth and enlightenment. Protection and purification. Amethyst is also known for its protective qualities. It is believed to ward off negative energies and psychic attacks, making it an ideal stone for those who seek to safeguard their spiritual journey. Additionally, amethyst is said to purify the aura and cleanse one's energy field, allowing for the release of negative thoughts and emotions. Emotional healing. This magical gemstone is thought to possess potent emotional healing properties. Amethyst is said to help soothe anxiety, stress, and depression, bringing a sense of calm and tranquility to those who use it. Its gentle energy can also foster emotional balance and stability, making it an excellent tool for managing mood swings and coping with grief or loss. Sleep and dreams. Amethyst has long been associated with promoting restful sleep and vivid dreams. Placing a piece of amethyst under your pillow or on your bedside table is said to help you fall asleep faster, experience more peaceful sleep, and remember your dreams more clearly. Some even believe that this beautiful stone can protect against nightmares and facilitate lucid dreaming. Creativity and clarity. The captivating purple hue of amethyst is thought to inspire creativity and clear mental fog. Artists, writers, and musicians have been known to turn to this gemstone for a boost of creative energy and increased focus. Amethyst is also believed to enhance decision-making skills and promote clear thinking, making it a valuable ally in both personal and professional endeavors. Physical healing. While amethyst is primarily associated with its spiritual and emotional healing properties, it is also believed to offer physical benefits. Some claim that this powerful stone can help alleviate headaches, improve the immune system, and support hormone balance. However, it's essential to remember that amethyst should be used as a complementary therapy and not as a substitute for professional medical advice and treatment. The magical properties of amethyst make it a highly sought-after gemstone for those looking to enhance their spiritual, emotional, and physical well-being. Its enchanting purple color and array of mystical qualities have secured its place as one of the most beloved and versatile crystals in the world.